All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So, in today's episode, we are going to talk further about Jose's car. So, the thing is all systems go, guys. So, he did okay the parts estimate, and we're going to start getting things rolling. So, first and foremost, what we have to do is power wash this baby. I mean, we have a lot of work ahead of us, which I am totally okay with, but we're going to have a lot of fun here. What we're going to do here is go ahead and power wash this baby. I'm going to try to push it forward just enough so then we can have it sitting maybe somewhere out here where just the face is. And then we're going to go ahead and start power washing that and start taking everything out of the car that he has brought that we are going to use. And we're going to go ahead and put that in storage because we're not going to even think about using any of that right now. First and foremost, we want to get this car clean, guys. So let's just jump into it, guys, and let's go. One thing we are going to salvage is this Mishimoto radiator. This thing looks brand new. As you guys can see, everything looks nice and fresh. So we are going to salvage that and reuse that. So we don't need a radiator. That's going to be a good thing. But we do need the fans. So I'm going to get a fan shroud for that just to make it proper, good seals, get some weatherproofing so we can get it all nicely tucked in and doing right. So moving forward, guys. So like I showed you guys before, this thing needs a good maybe vacuum real quick or a good blowout of some sort. And after blowing this out, we are going to go ahead and power wash this bad boy because we really need to start on this. And this is definitely something that we need to start doing first. So we're going to vacuum, blow out everything we possibly can, power wash all these spider webs that are just hanging out, you know. I look, wow. One thing we're going to do is go ahead and vacuum everything that we can vacuum, then blow everything out. Then we're going to go ahead and start the power washing, guys. So I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse. And with the time lapse, it's going to be, you know, a little bit because we have quite a few different things. So just sit back, guys, relax, chill, watch this transformation happen firsthand. So let's go. All right, folks, now that we have everything all vacuumed out and looks to be okay. I forgot to vacuum that out and that there. I'm going to have to do that before I do power washing, but I'm going to go ahead and power wash this thing. I got the scrubber there. Got the Bauer power washer ready. Got the Maguire soap. So we're going in, guys. We're going to go in and start power washing the hell out of this thing and try to see what comes up. So I'm really excited to see because this is always a satisfying part of the car, just because, you know, you start to see things come up that you haven't seen come up in years. So it's going to be really nice. Everything is nice and clean and taking like all the dirt and like all the debris that was all in there. All that stuff is removed now. So we're going to go ahead and give it a nice clean power wash, guys, after I do a real quick vacuum to that section there, and we're going to go in. So let's go. right, everybody, check this out. This car actually came out pretty good. No lie, I thought it was going to come out a lot worse. We found out that this is a wrap. So this wrap is actually not too bad. So what I'm going to do is take a heat gun to it and try to get this off to see the actual condition of the actual hood itself. I see this little piece right here, and it is a little soft, but not like horribly soft. And I did look under, and this is looking actually really, really good. So in here, as you guys see, it came out pretty darn good. Like, this is actually a lot cleaner than I thought it was going to come out. Obviously, we're still going to attack it and clean it up and even make it even nicer. But guys, it came out pretty good. Look at the body is actually not horrible. As you guys can see, it is pretty straight. The only real thing that I see here is the moonroof is cracked. We did get a little seepage at the window, but nothing too crazy, so that means that the seals are okay. And I was power washing it with a 2000 psi power washer. So all these quarter panels good. Weird paint job though. It's like a weird, I don't know, plastic dip maybe. I don't know. I really don't know what it is, but check it out. It looks horrible. But engine bay came out pretty good, as you guys can see, nice and clean. Everything looks nice and clean in here compared to what it was. Check this out, like the corners, this is just so clean compared to what it was before. I'm really excited. Even though we're not going to use this motor, I'm not worried about it. I really just wanted to make sure that the engine bay was clean and there was really no rust anywhere, and there really isn't. It was just really, really dirty. Back here came out pretty clean too, the rear end, as you guys can see. I'm happy, and as you guys know, this is kind of what I do with new swaps. So we did give it a real quick bath. Again, it was not going to be anything detailed, just because why? We're not going to be painting, or we don't have it painted yet, and we're not gonna, it's just not there yet to be doing all the detailing. So I just wanted it clean just to kind of get a better look at the body, and we'll go from there, guys, just because we do have to prepare for paint on this car. And I believe we're gonna do the crimson red is what I think we're gonna go with, and it's gonna look super nice. If you guys remember the 92 that I did not too long ago, or the 91, I keep forgetting if it was the 91, 92. That one was a crimson red. That one came out so nice. It almost looked like a super red, like George's MR2, but it came out phenomenal. So guys, this is going to conclude today's episode. I want to thank every single one of my subscribers. Thank you guys. And again, like in the last episodes, I am just so grateful for every single one of you guys, just because you guys made me 10,000 subscribers. Like, this is wild. Like, this is something that I never thought that I probably could even get to 10,000 subscribers. I was happy at first when I got 10. Like, it was really wild, but I'm just really, really happy, and I want to thank every single one of my subscribers. And again, guys, remember, check out the Nasty Addiction merch store. I greatly appreciate you guys. I see you guys are looking at my videos a lot longer, and I really want to thank you guys for that too. So continue on, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys take care of yourselves and each other. Peace until next time.